Good evening, Christmas Eve. I'm on my holiday and going to do a gift. And this is actually a keychain holder, so a key holder. So I thought it was pretty cute. $10 on Amazon and pretty easy. So you take your, take your diamond with the flat side down, and this is a 1, so you're going to put this on the 1. So the way I do it is I do all the 1s together, and then I go to the 2s. Usually works better when I pick it up. It's hard to see right now. You take the paper off, not off, but, and you try not to stick your hand on the stickers. You don't want the sticky to give out before you're able to put your diamond dot down. So you're going to get another one from your tray. This is my tray, and this is all the number 1s. This is awkward for me to do stuff like record. I got something for, to be able to hold my phone and stuff like that. So there I go, spilling it. And then you're gonna take your diamond again and put that one on 1. Sorry, this is the first time I'm trying to work and not have shadows and all that on my work. So I'm taking my diamond pen with the putty glue stuff, and you're going to pick it up again and sit this down. Where did it go? There it is. If you make a mistake, you just push it.